unexpected unboxing video. So bear with me if we're a little rough around the corners, but there's something very exciting I think just arrived, and I'm going to open the box now and see what's in it. Now, if it happens to be not what I'm thinking and there's something embarrassing like a sex toy, my other half ordered it. Alright, so without further ado, I'll put you on time lapse and we'll bash away again whatever's in this interesting looking box out into the open air. Just give you a quick rundown, nothing more than that, because this is only going to be a short video. Later on I'll review the object in question in more detail for this channel and probably do a rundown on what it is for my other channel all about retro things. So back in a second. There we have it, my little surprise for this week. A rather gorgeous Nikon FE auto exposure, or rather aperture priority auto exposure camera from the 1980s. I think I'll pop up when I think it was made on screen. So just for now, this is a general look round. So you have on the front, I put my one and only Nikon lens for it, little 50mm f1.8, nice sharp little lens. So it's all really quite simple. There's your shutter speed and auto control on the top there, so you can either operate it in manual or auto. You've got exposure compensation, film speed setting on there. You've got a hot shoe with a contact for a flash, viewfinder of course, it's an SLR. There's a little bit of dust in the viewfinder. Battery lever on the back there. Wind on. Lever actuates the exposure meter. Shutter button, which is threaded for a cable release. It's also got B. Press the little thing down. It's got B and N90, so even if the batteries are exhausted, this thing takes two little LR44s, which I found a couple and stuck them in there. Underneath there we've got the button for the rewind, we've got contacts for motor drive, which I think it's unlikely I'll buy, but you never know. Slot for a film reminder. This lever, which I'm not entirely sure what it does, so I'll have to look that up. I used to own, in fact I've owned two of these, or maybe one and an FM, but certainly I've owned these before. With certain lenses, yes, like this one included, you get to see what the aperture is in the viewfinder window, which is really handy, so you don't have to take it away from your eye. Brilliant! So there it is. Next thing to do, bung a film in it, get out, do some shooting, perhaps vlogging, but perhaps do the first roll all by myself, so I can make mistakes to my heart's content without showing the world what an idiot I am, although I probably think I've already done that. So yes, end of this video. There'll be more to come, reviews and all sorts of stuff, but this should be my workhorse 35mm camera to complement the 4x5 and the medium format stuff. So I should have a camera for pretty much every need. Hey ho, mind you, there's always pinholes and holders and all sorts of things, but I think I'm pretty well set up now. So thanks for watching, over and out, see you in the next one.